What's Gucci YouTube? Sass on Swag Reviews here with another pickup from Hotkicks.cn. This is a 1 in 3. I ordered 2 pairs of sneakers, authentic quality. 3 Gucci belts. 2 of the belts are same size, same type belt, and Caylor and Son Snapback. So if I track the right shipping tracking number, this should be the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Waverunners and the Caylor and Son Snapback. Part two is most likely going to be the 3 Gucci belts, and the third will probably be the last pair of kicks, which I bought was the Nike Kyrie 5 SpongeBob collab, the Patricks they call them, or the Squidwards, whatever they call them. I don't know. Not a big SpongeBob fan, so I already took the liberty of opening it up, but I didn't look inside the box. This is, the whole purpose of unboxing. You kind of could see it for the first time as I am, so I just pretty much, just open up the plastic, and then I just cracked open the box. It's on one of these sides. It's this side. See? Now I can see it as you will see it. So came bagged up like that. Obviously, as you've seen already in the video. It's got the secondary box. Give me a second. Voila. Take a look at the tag. I'm not too familiar with these sneakers. Never owned a pair. This is my first. So, as in terms of, giving my personal opinion on a legit check, can't really do that for you. There's the 700 boost, bottom, back, then the other side, plain. Alright, so pull these bad boys out. There goes the snapback. Wow. Sorry about that, y'all. So, Caylor and Son snapback. Pretty damn impressive. Dollar bill, y'all. The back is a linen print. Can't really describe the material. Totally forgot what it was. But looks pretty dope, man. On point. It's just a piece of yellow lint there. Caylor and Sons. Let's see. Oh, there you go. You got something on the back there. I think it says Dream. Cream. Casuals, everything around me. Alright, I'm feeling it. I'm digging it. Alright. You got the Caylor and Son, the legit sticker. You got the Caylor and Son tag there. Got all the thingamajigs. Got a nice little piece of string there. That doesn't look good. Alright, so that's it for the snapback. Let's take out these Yeezys, son. Alright. Now, like I said, never owned a pair of these before in my life. Never held them in my hand. So I don't really know how good they look. I can just tell you based off of this opinion. And wow. Nah, man, these are pretty dope. These are pretty dope. Let me get the other one out. Hold on. Alright, here we go. So, oh man. I think these are what they're supposed to look like. You got this, nice nubuck material on the toe box. Some really clean stitching. You got, I don't even know what this is. It looks like you got some more nubuck here. Black. You got these things, the orange things. I don't know if they're supposed to pop. I know these are supposed to pop. These are supposed to be 3M. They look like they might. Let me see if I put on the flash what it do. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. So I guess this is how people tell that these are legit. It's got to pop. And they popping. Oh, they popping. Oh. Look at that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Alright, let's see what it is. So, you already got the 3M test. Got a 3M. True. You got the Adidas logo inside. The size tag. On the other side, I don't know if I can get that. Let me see if I get the flash. Shit. Doing this with one hand, people. Gotta do what I can. So, alright, so I got the flashback on. Then you got the Yeezy with the size tag at the bottom. Same goes with the other one. Adidas Yeezy size tag. See if I can focus on that. There you go, US size 12. Go. And also came with the StockX stuff. This is, I think, is the updated one. If I'm not mistaken. Blah blah blah. If I'm not mistaken, this must be the updated one. Cause I remember when I bought the Bread 11, she sent me like the OG one, like the first one. It's look good. Looks good. Got the sticker as well. So there you go, people. Any questions? Drop a comment. These are authentic quality. In case you guys were wondering, I only buy authentic quality. And I guess that'll be it. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next 2 videos. Holla. Sasson Swag out.